Okay, we are ready for the next phase. We bought a paddle attachment for the drill, which is going to save a lot of hard work. Working with a product that I've never used before, and neither has Joe. This is a bag of powdered marble, which is a way of getting really smooth joints when you're doing this kind of crazy paving. It's a traditional Greek method. When the guy said use powdered marble, Joe and I just thought, what? How much is that going to cost? It turns out it's not too different to sand, actually. He says to use a 5-to-1 ratio of marble to cement, and we're looking for a kind of texture that's a little bit like Greek yogurt, I believe. So the best way for us to find out is just to go for it. We're going to start at the back area because that's the area that's hidden the most in case we mess it up. Hopefully we won't. I'm sure we won't. But yeah, I'm just going to go and get stuck in and wish us luck.
Not marble.
No. Like salt. Is it shiny?
Yeah.
No. Okay, hold on a minute. But we'll see. So what we're finding is as we spread the mortar out, it's making the rough edges that were on the paving slabs look a lot kinder, softer, yeah, a lot nicer. So it'd be nice to come out in the morning and have a sweep of all the rough parts, because they'll just come off, and then we'll be left with a real nice impression of what it looks like. That'll be it, because it will be solid by the morning. It's setting quickly now. But this is kind of the look we were hoping for. This was the look that was in a lot of those Greek style books that we was looking at all through the winter at home, whilst imagining this, wasn't it?
That's right, yeah.
All of them had these real big joints in between the paving slab. It's funny, the guy at the delivered it said, if you've got any of the marble left over, don't worry, I'll give you a refund. Bring it, I'll come and pick it up and bring it back and you can have a refund. But we're going to actually have the opposite problem. Good morning, it's a new day here in Greece and we're now coming into the final stretch. In hindsight, we probably bit off a bit more than we could chew yesterday. We decided to uproot basically half of the area we were trying to crazy pave and get the whole thing done in one block, which has been a struggle, particularly in the heat. So the next phase, we're going to just pull up maybe 6 slabs, hit that area, get the whole thing done, get the prep done, get the base layer down, and get the paving down and jointed, and then move on bit by bit, because this is a lot to do all at once. But I think we've succeeded in making something really special. This looked, I mean, pretty horrendous from years of wear and tear and being uprooted by the olive tree, and now it's level. The white joints make the paving look so much nicer, and we're really happy with how it's turning out. We was up early this morning just trying to beat the sun, but you can see it beating down on my face already. It's arrived. So we need to get this last bit done and then keep watering it just to keep the joints from drying out and cracking. So yeah, let's crack on. Final push. Do let us know what you think of it in the comments below. We're pretty happy with it. We're looking forward to giving it a brush down when it's all started to harden a bit more than it has now. And yeah, really getting to see what it looks like. But yeah, this is pretty cool. We feel like we've made something out of nothing, to be honest, which is kind of what we've been doing on the whole of this journey so far. But yeah, let's crack on. Let's make another mix up and let's get the job finished. So this is our powdered marble. We go around 1/4 of a bag. Yeah, 1/4 of a bag of this. Equals about 1 yogurt pot of white cement. The Dongcheng drill with the paddle attachment has been doing a pretty good job. Just need to make sure you get into the edges here. And just add water bit by bit. Yeah, with this we're looking for like a consistency, I don't know, a little bit like Greek yogurt, thick but not too thick.
We began planning this project in the depths of the UK winter, sitting and flicking through our favourite Greek design book, Greek Style, trying to imagine what our little courtyard in this beautiful part of the Mediterranean would look like, with a mixture of broken paving slabs and thick, white mortar joints in between. It was important for us to reuse the existing materials, keeping that connection to the villa's past, while bringing the whole area back to life once again. It's come a long way from the abandoned and unloved Greek garden that we first walked into, and although the job is not yet complete, we've taken another big step towards creating our perfect Greek patio. We'll be trying a new method of getting the crazy paving laid next week, and it would be great to have you with us. Please do feel free to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching.